What's up, y'all? It's be your boy Malachi, and today I'm going to introduce y'all to my kitchen. We about to whip it up, and we about to make some cookies. I don't know how to pause this because I got the flashlight facing this way, but we finna cook some cookies. Sorry in advance for the goddamn kittens. I had great grandbaby. Say hey. Yeah. So we're gonna cook some cookies today, and where are the cookies? Oh, cookies. Ah, here we go. Cookies. So I decided to use my front camera so I can see exactly what I am doing. Because, yeah. Cookies. These are the cookies. Now, we have to read the instructions. These are chocolate chip cookies mix. So, yeah. These are the chocolate chip cookies. So, let's see what all do we need. Focus. There we go. 2-inch cookies. Let's look at here. Put this bad boy over. We would need some butter. I'm cheap. Yes, that's always safe. And we will need 1 tablespoon of water. So I don't know what's a tablespoon. I'm trying to find a teaspoon. All I see is cups. I don't think I have a teaspoon. I mean a tablespoon. I cannot find a tablespoon. What the heck is this? Nope, this is too small. God, where's things when you need them? Like, what do we got in here? Can I use this plastic spoon? Alright, so plastic, 2 of those. Okay, it says heat oven to 375 Fahrenheit for dark or non-stick cookie sheet. Stir cookie mix, soften with butter and water in medium bowl into soft dough form. Right, this oven on 375. And we're gonna get this bowl down right here. Yep. Rinse this big boy out. So I guess the first thing I'm gonna do, I know they said melt the butter, so I'm gonna get my butter, scoop it out, and put it in there. Now there go my butter. And as far as the butter, they said stir cookie mix, soften butter and water in medium bowl into soft dough form. So, y'all don't judge me. I don't know nothing about cooking. Nothing. And fold it up in there. Focus. So, and then they said with that, and then some water. You know what? I don't need no spoon. Show y'all how we do it. We go by eyeballs. That look like a good couple of tablespoons. Now I have to find something to mix this up with. Where's my yeah? Rinse this bad boy out. Sorry about the sink, it's nasty because I haven't rinsed the sink out. But this is what I'm gonna use. Can you please hush? I'm trying to make a video. Hey. No. Come here. I got an idea for you. Come here. Yep. Go to bed. So I had to wash my hands and stuff after touching the cat. Now we about to whip it. Whip it. Whip it. Whip it. Hey Katie, I need some assistance. I can't whip and hold the camera. Come on, Katie. Please. Please, please, please. I can't whip. I can't whip it. I need to whip it. Come on, please. Katie, it's difficult. I can't do it. Please, Katie. Katie, 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 Katie. All right. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
He desperately wanted me to make this video with him, but I'm ugly right now.
Is this how you make dough?
It looks kind of not liquidy enough.
No, they say it's supposed to be like dough, not liquidy.
Oh. No, wait, I forgot. It looks okay.
So I can put this in the refrigerator or something?
Well,
Hard.
it says Did you soften the butter? Oh, it's already soft.
Mm-hmm.
Drop dough butter on a teaspoonful, 1 inch apart onto an ungreased cookie sheet. So, no, you don't have to freeze it or anything.
I was just making sure.
You just drop it onto a cookie sheet. And since you're going to be making big cookies, make sure you flatten them on the pan, or else it'll be doughy on the inside and burnt on the outside.
Okay, can you pause? Alright, I got my pan. Now I'm about to butter my pan. Oh, I can't hold this. There we go. Now I got my butter on my pan. Don't worry, people, I wash my hands. Plus, this is my cookie, not your cookie, so I don't care. Melt, butter, melt. Yeah, this is not working. This butter don't want to go in this pan. This is a non-stick pan anyways, but maybe if I just, like, I don't know. No, I'm just going to put this in the oven and let that butter melt.
Use your fingers.
Now I'm about to get the pan out. Now my butter is successfully melted. Alright. You did it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I got Katie assisting me again.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get me because stop, don't get me.
Why?
Because you already know.
Because your face is too sexy?
Yep.
Mm.
That's one cookie. That's 2 cookies.
Mm-mm.
And a half. There.
Those are the sloppiest cookies I ever seen.
These are called.
At least pat the pan down so that it'll be flatter. Like I was saying, if you cook them in that big a blob, it's going to be so gross in the middle. You got to flatten them out. There's too much butter in that pan.
How good it is.
This is what happens when a man tries to cook. There we go.
I was gonna get there.
Like most people say to use a ball, but if it's a big cookie, then the ball will rise. It's just like not a good idea to make a ball. Now those cookies are gonna touch.
That's fine.
They're gonna be so fat. I'm gonna get some chocolate. I'm eating this right now. A carrot, and then you're eating cookies. While he's making that, I'm gonna show you what I'm making. I just washed out this pan. Got that pot all there. I'm just putting it on here because I don't have any space over here.
Alright, so these are my cookies.
I'm trying to make salad
And I'm
right
about
now.
to put my cookies in the oven. And we're gonna put them in there for bake the 8 to 10 minutes to the edge, light and go brown. Cool for 2 minutes. Remove from cooking sheet. Cool and completely stored
Finish.
and airtight container. That means eat it. I'll take the trash out.
Cucumber. A bunch of spinach.
Cucumbers and grass.
I'm not done yet. That's just spinach and cucumbers. I still have to put this in, and I have to put iceberg lettuce in, and radishes.
Oh, my battery's going low, so the flash is gone. Bye-bye. Alright, and there go my cookie. So, one cookie. One big cookie. Sorry, I forgot to show y'all my cookie before I ate most of it. It was delicious. It's soft, buttery. Katie says it's too buttery, but I like it. And that's what matters. It's good. Good. So, This cookie is good. Like I said before, thank y'all for watching this cookie channel. Hopefully I can make more videos. More videos to bring you guys into my life. Not just my transition, but part of my life. You know. So, thank you for watching. Metacat out. Boy.